How to delete Reddit account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete Reddit account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device. If you do not have the Reddit application, then you can easily download it from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you have opened the application, you will be led to the home page of Reddit. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the bottom of your screen. Here, scroll down until the bottom and you will see the option for delete account. Tap on that and now in the pop-up that appears, make sure that once you delete your account, your profile and username will be permanently removed from Reddit and your posts, comments, and messages will be disassociated from your account. So if you are sure of deleting your account, then tap on the Yes Delete option. You will then be asked to verify your identity to delete. So go ahead and enter your username and your password and tap on Continue. You will then be asked for a reason on why you are leaving Reddit, so go ahead and enter the reason if you have one, else it is totally optional. Next, you will receive a final confirmation pop-up, so if you are very much sure of deleting your Reddit account, then tap on the delete option and with this your Reddit account will be deleted. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.